Hi, in this video we will employ the fabric nodes to split a flow of events to subflows. There are many cases where the input flow of events needs to be split. Restrict access to data for different users or applications. Apply different processing logic to specific subflows. Decrease volume and dimension of data. Filter, modify, enrich, map data in subflows independently. Store subflows in analytics database. Let's employ the fabric nodes. We'll run the project from our previous demo to generate a flow of events having a timestamp, a key, and a value. Subscribe to the flow. Split the flow into 4 subflows. Filter subflows. Publish the subflows to a cloud message queue. No code is needed. Open the fabric node editor. Choose the Generate a Timestamp, a Key, and a Value project. Open the project. Click the Deploy button. The project is deployed, started generating events having a timestamp, a random key, and a random value, and sending to the ABCD queue. Return back to the node editor. Create a new project. Name it. Split ABCD to A, B, C, and D. Open the project. You see the default Hello World project. Rename the actor to ABCD Subscribe. The actor will be configured to consume the flow of events from a cloud message queue. Rename the output topic to ABCD. The topic will collect the consumed events. Delete the comment. We don't need it. Call the menu and add the new actor. Rename the actor to Split and Filter. The actor will be configured to split events into subflows and filter under conditions. Call the menu and add a new topic. Rename the topic to A. The topic will collect the events into the A subflow. Call the menu and add a new actor. Rename the actor to A pub. The actor will be configured to publish events from the A subflow to the A cloud queue. Link the ABCD topic with the split and filter actor. Link the split and filter actor with the A topic. Link the A topic with the A pub actor. Arrange topics and actors. Click the ABCD Subscribe actor and choose the edit link to dive into the processing logic. Delete the trigger and the constants nodes. Call the menu and choose the SQS read node. The node is used to subscribe to the Amazon SQS. The SQS read node requires additional configuration parameters. Get the name of the queue and the region in the Amazon SQS console. Use the Amazon IAM Identity Center to get the access key at an encrypted secret access key. The access keys are encrypted before stored. No one has access to your credentials. Link the output empty port of the SQS read node with the input welcome port of the JSON out node. Delete the welcome path at the input port. Change data type to any. The empty port is used to send and get the entire message without decomposing to elements. Return back to the project level. Click the split and filter actor and choose the edit link to dive into the processing logic. Click the JSON and node. Rename the JSON and node to ABCD. Click the plus button to add a new port. Type key and choose the string data type. The empty port will be used to transmit the entire message. The key port will be used to decompose the element key to check the condition. Click the JSON out node. Rename the JSON out node to A for simplicity. Call the menu and choose the filter node. The filter node consumes values to the input ports and transmits values to the output ports without any change if the value in the condition port is true. We're planning to transmit the entire message. So, We need to define an empty port of any data type. Link the empty output port of the JSON node with the input empty port of the filter node. Link the empty output port of the filter node with the input empty port of the JSON out node. Call the menu and choose the function node. Let's define the condition, key equals A for the output port. The input port is defined automatically to consume the value of the key variable. Link the condition port of the function node with the condition port of the filter node. Link the output key port of the JSON node with the input key port of the function node. We define the simple processing logic. The JSON node gets a message and decomposes the key element. The filter node transmits event if key equals A. The JSON out node sends an event to the output topic. Let's repeat the same steps for the key equals B, key equals C, and key equals D. The input flow of events is split into 4 output subflows as a result. Return back to the project. Click the A pub actor and choose the edit link. Delete the JSON out node. Call the menu and choose the SQS write node. Link the output empty port of the JSON node with the input port of the SQS write node. Specify the name of the queue and the region from the Amazon SQS console. Use the Amazon IAM Identity Center to get the access key at an encrypted secret access key. The access keys are encrypted before stored. Return back to the project.
Repeat the same steps for the subflows B, C, and D.
The project is done. Now we can test and deploy it. Let's recall that the project generate timestamp, key and value has been working all this time producing messages to the ABCD queue. Click the Emulate button to test the project. The ABCD sub-actor connects to the ABCD queue and consumes a portion of messages to the output topic. The split and filter actor divides the messages into 4 subflows.
The pub actors publish results to the A, B, C, and D queues.
You can see that the messages have been consumed and split in accordance with the condition. Let's check that the messages have been published.
The number of messages in the ABCD queue is decreased and in the number of messages in the A, B, C, and D queue is increased.
Now we can deploy the project to continuously consume, process, and publish the messages. Click the Deploy button and check the status. All the previously generated messages have been processed. The new producing messages are processing continuously. The project is done. Both the projects are online infinitely processing messages. What can you do next? Register in the Fabric Node Editor. Clone the project. Connect your own flow of events. Modify the processing logic. Connect the results to destinations. Share your project with your teammates. Make your project public. Welcome to Fabric.